Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be doing the coding part of turtle programming, but instead of Google Colab, we're gonna go on our Replit. Replit is also a site which supports Turtle Python programming, unlike Google Colab. Google Colab is used for other type of things like the NumPy, the Matplotlib, linear regression, logistic, while it does not support Turtle. So let's go ahead and open our Replit. Now we open our Replit, and as you can see on my screen, there is this code over here. Print parenthesis inverted commas, and inside it says hello world. So what this code will do, as I mentioned here, this code prints hello world. When we will run it, you will see this Python turtle on Replit hello world. If you want to write anything else, you can, like your name, your age, whatever. Now we're gonna move on in writing our first turtle code. So what we're gonna do, we are gonna go ahead and import the turtle library. Then we're gonna create a turtle on the screen and store it in the variable called t. So t is equal to turtle dot capital turtle parenthesis. Why are we adding parentheses at the end? We're adding parentheses because it's a function, and without parentheses the code will not be able to work. Now we're gonna go ahead and change the shape of the turtle to a circle. So t dot shape circle. We can change it to an arrow, a square maybe, but for now we'll go with a circle. What this will do, it will import the turtle library, it will create a turtle on the screen, and this code, this line over here, means that it will change the T to circle. Now we're gonna go ahead and add a color. So we're gonna import the turtle library, create a variable t is gonna be equal to turtle dot capital T turtle with parentheses at the end, and then we're gonna create a screen, means a backdrop you can say. So s is going to be equal to turtle dot screen. It's a function, so we're gonna add parentheses. The background color is going to be sky blue. You can add red, green, purple, whatever. But for now, we'll go with sky blue. Then what are we gonna do? We're gonna create a circle of the radius 100 and fill it with a green color. So t dot fill color green. We can make it purple, blue, red, yellow. Now we're gonna begin fill, means begin the fill. Now, after beginning the fill, we're gonna say that it's gonna be 100 radius, and then we're gonna end the fill since it's done filling it. What will this do? First of all, it will spawn a turtle on the screen, it will change it, it will make a circle of green color, but before that, it's gonna change the backdrop to a blue color, and then it's gonna draw a circle of green and 100 radius. Now we're gonna go ahead and move our turtle. So what are we gonna do? We can try and go ahead and create a type of shape which is gonna be a rectangle. So we're gonna import turtle. T is equal to turtle dot capital T turtle parenthesis. Then what we're gonna do? We're gonna change the shape of turtle to a turtle because earlier we changed it to a circle. So T dot shape turtle. Now we're gonna move forward 150 steps. Move left 90 steps, move forward 100 steps. Move left 90 steps, move forward 100 steps, move left 90 steps, and lastly, move forward 100 steps. So how do we move forward? It's gonna be t dot forward parenthesis, and in the bracket you can add the number that you want it to move forward. Left, we add left. If you want to go right, we're going to be t dot right 90, like this. And if you want to go backwards, we just write backwards 90 or 80, whatever. Now we're going to do the drawing state of the turtle, which is going to be an into intersecting circles. So we're gonna, import the turtle, store it in the variable, and pen up. Now, Example, you're drawing with a pen on a piece of paper. Will you just start drawing right away, or you are going to find the exact position of, like, if I draw here, then this will come properly, like that, the second option. So we are going to pen up and go to a position where the turtle thinks that it's right. We're gonna move forward 20 steps and then pen down. Like, you keep the pen down on a paper and then you start drawing, right? Just like that. Now we're gonna go ahead and make a circle. So T dot circle 20 20. So it means, this line means that we're gonna create a circle of 20 radius. We're gonna pen up the turtle and then we're gonna move forward 20 steps and pen down again. And then we're gonna create another circle of 20 radius as well, and this will make two intersecting turtles. So pen up. And now there's a new function that we've learned. T dot home parenthesis. It's a function, so that's why we add parentheses. But what does this do? This returns the turtle back to its original position. Now the last code of the day is going to be moving the turtle, like from one position to another. So we're gonna import turtle, store it in a variable, and then move to. So what we're gonna do, T dot go to. Go to is a function in turtle that will help the turtle go to one place to another. And of course it will be still drawing. So we're gonna go to 200 comma 0. Then again we're gonna add go to 100 comma 100. Like, there's the x-axis and the y-axis. And now they're gonna go back to the original position of the turtle, which is going to be t dot home. Now what are we gonna do? We are going to be doing the fun part. Yes, it's gonna be running all the code that I have explained you. See, over here it says hello world. It's drawing a blue backdrop. There's a green circle. It changed the shape to a circle. Well, earlier it did. See, I'll show you. Here it's circle. Now another circle. Then we're gonna draw a rectangle. Then two intersecting circle. And the last code, which was go to 200 comma 0, it created a triangle. And this was all for today's video, guys. In the next video, I'm gonna be showing you an activity which is also about turtle programming, the introduction. So stay tuned. I'll see you then. Bye, guys.